In companies like this one, the printing corner is usually very busy. The architects and engineers need to print, scan, and copy many different types of content, from CAD documents in black and white and color to high-quality renders and presentations. In order to cover all these needs, often they install more than one device. With the HP Designjet T3500 Production eMFP, it's now possible to consolidate all these workflow needs in one single device. A high-productivity, multi-function printer that offers low running costs, allows high unattendedness, and meets the most demanding IT and security needs. The HP Designjet T3500 delivers outstanding quality in any type of content. Thanks to its 6 original HP inks, you'll get dark blacks, true neutral grays, and vivid colors. With the HP Designjet T3500 high printing speed, you will get A1 or D-size prints in 21 seconds, both in black and white and color. It's the most productive multifunction printer on the market. And thanks to its ultra-fast processing and no need to warm up, you will get your first page out right away. And the integrated 100-page stacker will deliver prints and copies neatly collated. The high-speed scanner and its intuitive and advanced features will also help boost productivity. You can save your most common scan settings and easily scan a set of documents with just one click. You can also get and share your documents, scanning them directly to your email. The HP Designjet T3500 is built for demanding environments with high printing volumes. Thanks to 2 heavy rolls and large ink cartridges, it can operate unattended for long periods of time and produce prints at the same cost as equivalent black and white LED multifunction printers with less energy consumption. Big companies like this one usually have very rigorous IT and security needs. The HP Designjet T3500 is ready to meet them with the self-encrypted hard disk drive, a personal PIN, and other security features. Now, you can increase your productivity with the most productive multifunction printer on the market that consolidates all of your black and white and color needs. The HP Designjet T3500 offers unattended operation at costs that rival similar black and white LED printers, and with total security. It is built for rigorous IT demands and top security needs.